The Relay I/O is a specially designed card used in railway applications for SC4 train overspeed control and protection. It is designed to work with our SC3 capable MCB11 controller board and our SC4 capable controller board assembly, which is the combination of the MCB11 and the MCB12. It meets the requirements of EN 5155. The Relay I/O card has three 24 to 110 volt DC galvanically isolated double cut digital outputs with force-guided relays, 4 galvanically isolated quad encoder inputs for locomotive axle generators to measure speed and direction, and 2 0 to 20 milliamp outputs used for speed indicators. You need a new safety product for your market. We are here to deliver it with you.